Pwede na mga warm-up yung red versus What?
Nag-time out mo. Kasi
Jersey number 0, setting the pace. Aras may jersey number 7, bumaba. Pass to jersey number 18. Nagkaharap na papapasahan. Nakakita sa gusto. Wala. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 7. Napasa sa kawan sa jersey number 4. Rico.
I love you!
Jersey number 4, Magusin. Shot for 3. Wala. Dito sa jersey number 18.
Saan mo nga po kay Erwin cellphone? Hindi ko alam to.
Sorry po. Harap sa
iPhone yan,
jersey
alam mo yan,
number
paano?
4. Running first teammate.
Bibidyo dali.
Hey, number. Nagmamadali si Magusin.
Cellphone ni RP.
Number 0. Starting the play, moving first teammate. Pass to jersey number. There's Edison, a traveling violation. Player number. Jersey number 4, batting the ball, jersey number 24. Starting the play. Pass to jersey number 17, Alante. Ang haharap na mababasa. Nakita si jersey number 24. Inikot. Shot lock down to 10. Pull up Jay. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 3. Rubber 9. Raparas. Gandang pasa. Patayo buti rin. Nagdadagli si jersey number 17. Pull up Jay.
Nice one!
By jersey number 17.
Nice one! Red team!
Jersey number 18.
Nice one, blue team!
Patos, patos!
Red team!
Jersey number 17.
Palampalin yung blue team!
Number setting the play. Pass to jersey number 4. Ulit ulit. The ball is committed by jersey number 7.
Sino sabi?
Volley shot by jersey number 4. Time remaining, last 7 minutes and 33 seconds. Rebound by jersey number 18.
Nasa si Joey Boy!
Jersey number 0. Wala. Rebound by Baby Jill. Jersey number 4, setting the play. Ramos. Pass by jersey number 3. Walang mapapasahan. Pumalaksak sa gitna. Still.
Nice one! Oh,
Still by jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 18. Bait. Hey, number. Shot, pinag na up.
Bye! 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 Bye!
Pasok na lang po. Si jersey number 4. Ramos. Pumalaksak sa gitna. Jersey number 26, starting to play. Pass to jersey number 9. Patrick Allen at play. Ayan ang tinatawag na ring without less. Ringless. Jersey number 7 is Ramos. Titigata sa gitna. Pagpapasa sa gitna. Turnover. Jersey number 7, batting the ball. Time remaining now, 6 minutes. Excuse me. Okay, we can. Number 69. Pass to jersey number 17. Titigata Susina. Robin. The ball goes to blue team. Subdivision 1. Jersey number 18. Ayan na si Mr. Rafael, jersey number 2 and Mr. Roy, number 28. Jersey number 4, gandang pasa. And jersey number 28, puro number 1. Rebound ni jersey number 15. Nagkahanap na mga pasahan si Mr. Mendoza. Rebound jersey number 4. Setting the play. And Mr. Alzate. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. And now, si Mr. Jersey number 28. Nagtapin sa ilalim, binalik. Rebound by jersey number 4. Shot na, foul to 10. Reset. The score is 6-4. Blue team. 8-4. Rubber. Asante dito. Kaya ng place. Rock. Rebound by jersey number 15. Rebound jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 2. And now, si Mr. 7. David. A foul committed by jersey number 17. Unang free throw ni jersey number 19. Wala. Last throw. There's a whistle. Whistle foul. One shot. Yung mga sasapo, report ko rito sa gitna. Report ko rito. Foul. Habang nag-uhatong tayo, ay parang natin, ready, satisfied, ay special shooter. Jersey number 4, Homer, Tony Capri. Harap na babasahan. Ay itang si Mr. David, Tabak, count to 10. Out, ito ay. Score is 8-6 in favor of Blue Team. Advancing without music. Wala ka sa po. Dito mo, nalipit tayo sa gitna. Kaya sinabi na tayo dito sa dito.
Hey! Wala ka agad na para sa number 8!
Time remaining has 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Mendoza, Camila, wala. Start division left.
Grabe ka naman, siya wala agad. Grabe ka naman si...
Number 7 out, number 15, coming in. Mr. Hadi. Mr. Hadi, keeping on the ball. Even the judge number 28. Time remaining has 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Judge number 8, Armento. Itigado ng dos. At kaya lang si Mr. The score is 4-8. Time remaining has 3 minutes and 18 seconds. Judge number 8. Mr. Rafael J. Wala. Judge number 5. Mr. Ramos, nagkakita na rin. Nagkakita sa gitna.
Time out, Blue.
Hey, red team, rebound! Kaya ka! Hey, sino masaman? Wala nga agad na bola sa number 8! Bibilang ko kayo tigil isang bola!
Ito yung puto sa gitna. Ay mga blanca dyan.
Cellphone dito ah.
Jersey number 8, pinasa sa ilalim. And there's a whistle. The foul committed by jersey number 24. First goal. Basket. Last goal, ready jumper. Wala.
Ano yung import?
Jersey number 17. Starting to play. Pass by jersey number. Pass to Mangabat. Mangabat. Pass to jersey number 24. Wala. Nagmamadali. Jersey number 12. Wala pa rin. Nakita si jersey number 4. Isila. Jersey number 4. Mr. Ramos. Score. Okay. 5 remaining. Last 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Leading by jersey number 17. Still by jersey number 8. Santiago. Titigata sa gitna. Wala. Fake by jersey number 18.
Okay, depensa! Substitution, pare!
Kay meron kang kay
Ay, substitution!
Subdivision rep. Mendoza coming in.
Big Daddy Diesel. Big Daddy! Big Daddy Diesel! Yung putang ina to.
Pagod na yung
Para sa Erickson.
Pagod na si Boss Griggs eh. Stress.
Jersey number 22.
Papalitan niya na si...
Hindi na.
Nice one! Oliver!
Leading by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 4. Ramos.
Uy! With the fake! With the fake!
Opo, di makita.
Score is 3-4. 5 remaining. No, jersey number 7. Jersey number 16. Wala. Rebound by jersey number.
Tanda lang yun!
Sino ba leader nyo? Pagkari ka mga giant!
Substitution! Substitution!
Wala kayo matangkad!
Ari nga! Substitution!
Okay na kasi kayo.
Di pa din para manginginom.
Mga technical tayo. Pag nagsasapunta na doon.
Hindi, ikaw yung kakakunan.
Tanga na walang boxer pa.
Oy! Bawal yan!
Ikaw na! Pupunta ka lang ito magpapasasabihin ko naman din.
Dito ka naman sasabi sa committee. Sa commission na sasabi.
40 seconds.
Nice one! Ramos!
Counted foul.
Nandun yung ano mo ha?
Kala, tawal mo yun.
Sino mo foul? 27. 28. Last row.
Box out na, box out! Dom, tigas katawan! Dito, no?
Number 8, nagdadala ng bola.
Please!
30 seconds.
Ayan, ano na?
15 seconds.
Please! Yeah!
10.
Nice man!
7 seconds. 5.
Kumain sir! Nice!
The batting about jersey number 20. Pass to. Nothing is still by jersey number 24. Nakatapikan. Symbol.
Yeah! Lagi! Blue! Ano?
Jersey number 69. David Jaya, the body of the ball. Pass to jersey number 26. Asa sa gitna. Pagkailalim. Nagtaga. Sa double dribble. Ano yan? Limahan?
Oh, di pa.
Jersey number 0. Rebound by jersey number 20. Setting the play. Harap by jersey number 26. Tinira.
Please, Joshua, please.
Ayan lang si Baby John. And there's a missile. A troubling violation of jersey number 69. Jersey number. Setting the play. Aras by jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 3. Titikay naman dos. 2 points. The score is 17, 18, 19 rather in favor of. The foul committed by jersey number 19. Pupunta sa linya. Jersey number 69, unang tigada. Last row. Ready, Joker. Sinipat. There's a missile, a two-stone violation.
Alam mo naman ang cute ni Nico. Kaya mo sila
Last row with jersey number 69. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 60. Wala mo rin. Pass to jersey number 1. Steal by jersey number 26. There's a missile. Rival.
Nico! Sila under pa tayo mo! Magkasingay kayo!
Ayan na, sinisigaw na ang nanay mo. Jersey number 20. Pass to jersey number 0.
Huwag na sumabay.
There's a missile.
Wala ang tiro yun eh. Foul. Committed by jersey number 24. Foul, a blocking. Foul. Jersey number 24. Nasa ba yun? Huwag na.
Wala bang ibang mic dyan na ano?
Jay, ka Dexter.
Go, Nico! Go, Nico!
Si ano, mama.
Ano, wala. Nasa si Kevin. Asen!
Sex, tingin kagad sa ano ha?
Asen! Richard, yung speaker niya.
Wala. Kala ko matagal malobot. No, lobot kagad? Ticket? Roll! Oras. Jay, tayo. Dexter. Sabi ka lang. Tambak 10. 10 ba? 10.
Boss, time out ka na. Reserve time.
Dalawa lang pa.
Ayusin ko na. Kinabahan ako.
First time. Wala, first time.
Ito may pansa ko doon.
Karay ka na lang. Second game pa lang. Sabihin kung ano.
Dalawa na yan. Josh! Dua!
Easy.
Ano mo? Kuya, yun na.
Yugi.
Parang may speaker.
Five! 5 seconds! Bigay! Nice! Malayo pala yung video ko. Wala kang sinigang mamaya! Magkabila ang paa nyo na lang. Tsaka sa gitna, sir. Yan. Para hindi kayo magkalikuan. Sir, sa gitna ka niyan. Yan. Two shot. Sa gitna ng guhit, sir. Sir, sa gitna ng guhit. Magkabila ang paa. Para ano. Yan. Kasi wala yung kabila eh. Wala shot. Babaw. Okay, aras.
Alzade setting the play. Pass to jersey number 8. Pull up G. G. Mr. Castillo, the baby giant sa gitna. Yung si basket. Jersey number 4, Ramos. Setting the play, harassed by jersey number 26. Walang mapapasan. Nahanap si jersey number 8. Setting the play. Itikala ng Des. Wala. Rebound by Rafael. At mamamili si jersey number 7, Castillo. Yes, that's two. Time remaining, last 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Ramos sa gitna. Wala.
Box!
Ramos again. And there's a whistle. And a foul committed by jersey number 26. Second on you. First row. Wala. Warning for penalty. Team Blue. Huling free throw. Wala. Rebound by Rafael. Pass to jersey number 7. Castillo. Pass to jersey number. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 69. Wala. At ayan, nagmamadali si Ramos. Nabantayan ni Mr. Castillo. Gandang depensa. Body. Mr. Ramos. Pass to. Baby Giant. Kumanda. Gina. Wala. Wala na rin. Rebound by jersey number 8. Jersey number 17, Zinec play. Halas by Victor. Sa gitna, wala pa rin. Steal by Castillo. Nagpapadali. Nice. And there's a whistle. 14. Warning for penalty. Time remaining. Last 5 minutes and 36 seconds. First row. Last one. Meron. Ready jumper. Jersey number 17. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 19. There's a whistle. A contact whistle. Jersey number 26. Third personal foul and penalty. Blue team penalty.
Sayang po. Dalaw eh. Kasi blue balls na
First row, jersey number 19, Acosta. First shoot and basket. Second row, ready jumper. Again, sa mga nagugutom dyan, ay nagtitinda ng siomay. May 250 na tinda dyan. Ocampo, wala. Rebound by jersey number 69. With jersey number 18, sa gitna. And there's a whistle. And the foul committed by jersey number 12. Substitution rep. Jersey number 19 out. Jersey number 24 coming in. And jersey number 7 out. Jersey number 0 coming in. Last row for jersey number 18. Ready jumper. There's a whistle.
Lalabas ang gulang mo, Orbs. Ano ba, iba?
Jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 4. Esther Ramos. Pass to jersey number 7. Titigado ng 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 7. Ramos to jersey number 7. Sa gitna. Ay, kasama pa foul. And a foul developed by jersey number 17. Both teams is penalty. Third out here, jersey number 17. Alzate. Bonus throw. In and out. Rebound by jersey number 18. Sa gitna, nakita sa gusto. Jersey number 0. Shot lock down to 10. Titigado ng 3. Wala. Napaganda pasa. Wala. Ayan na si Baby Shai sa gitna. Still by jersey number 7. Makabat. Wala. Ito sa whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 0. Penalty. Score is 21-28. Substitution rep. Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 41 seconds. Pag na-shoot, sub. Pag na-shoot. In and out. Rebound by jersey number 28. Pass to jersey number 17. Nagmamadali sa gitna. Wala. Rebound by jersey number. Nagawang bola. Ayan na. Number. Simple. Pag bunayot ka dyan, una puti, huli na yung pula. Jersey number 0, sa gitna, Castillo, nakita si jersey number 21, wala. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 4, Ramos. Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Mendoza, titigada sa 3. Bingo! Castillo, pass to jersey number 7, 0 to jersey number 18. Wala. Rebound niya ulit. There's a reason why violation by jersey number 17. Hammer, blue team. Score is 24-28 in favor of blue. And time remaining, 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Blue team is penalty.
Si ano, si...
Rep, andito yung tubig nyo, Rep.
Jay! Tubig! Tubig! Jay! Jay! Tubig! Pagulungin mo na lang!
And back to the ball game. Inbounding by jersey number 28, pass to jersey number 0. Nakita si Ronald, bago sa dating sa gitna, jersey number 2. Wala pa rin. Ito yung sumisol. The ball goes to red team. Substitution red. Volantes, coming in, jersey number 2. Jersey number 14. Effective foul. Jersey number 20. Always stuck in. Technical foul. Wala. And down on the ball, jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 4, Ramos, sending to play. Sa gitna, nabitawan. Time remaining, last 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Jersey number 0, sending to play. Sa gitna, iniwan kay jersey number 19. Sa ilalim, jersey number 0. Kick kay kanan ng pass. Bugo. Score is 21, 25 in favor of blue team. Gandang pick naman yan.
Drive!
Ang daming jersey number 28. Napalakas ang pasa. Jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 24. Setting the play, pass to Ramos.
Di pa lang.
Sa gitna. Nakita si jersey number 24. Elbow. Jersey number 23.
Big, big, big!
Zero. Yan, setting the play. Pass to jersey number 28. Wala. Jersey number 24. Rebound by jersey number Mendoza. Pass to Ramos.
Check, check.
Mendoza. Susubok. Setting the play. Pass to Ramos. Sa gitna. Wala. Shot
Baba,
down
baba.
to 10.
Baba! Yan!
Time remaining last 1 minute and 32 seconds. Ayan na. May tindong balot yan. Papalakas ng tuwod. Masyado nang napakawasan yung mga miss, ha. Ramos, sa gitna. Wala.
Yan, yan!
Ayan na, babawi. Good lang. Jersey number 25 sa gitna. Nilapag. Ang first whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 19. 18 rather. Penalty. Substitution rep. Pag magsasab ko, hintayin nyo muna i-report ng foul bago tayo magsasab. Report muna. First throw. Nothing but net. Last throw, ready jumper. Time remaining, last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Rebound by jersey number 0.
Wah!
With jersey number 18, susubok sa press. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 16. Pass to jersey number 19. Rebound shot. Metong rider naman. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 14. Wala.
Blue!
May pansa ko doon sa
Blue ball. Time remaining, last 32 seconds. 32 seconds. 14 penalty. Jersey number 16. Pass to Manilo. Sa gitna, jersey number 16. Bulak James Hapon. Nakaganda pa. Wala.
Dalawa kayo!
Ayan na, nag-abang lang. Dibali. Time remaining, last 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Shot lang is dead. Ramos sa gitna. And there's a whistle. A bragging foul. Goal to jersey number 0. Penalty.
Ano ba yung rosin?
Both team is penalty.
Rosin yan, rosin.
Time remaining, last 10 seconds. First throw. Wala. Second throw. Ready jumper. Last throw by jersey 4. Ramos. Wala. In and out. Rebound by jersey number 28. Kung Manalo, titignan mo ng press. Muntik na. Jersey number 20. Ayan na.
nebulizer.
And on the second quarter. Jersey number 7. Amabat. The jersey number 17, Asante. Pull up J. Bingo!
Ay, walang agaw bola dyan.
Jersey number 8 sa gitna. Wala. Back to Baby Giant. And there's a whistle. And a foul committed by jersey number 4.
Hospit ka lang. Kakatawa ng bit ka lang.
Baby Giant.
First personal foul and first team foul.
Baby Giant.
Asen, kapag pasok ikaw.
First row, nothing but net. Last row. Rebound by jersey number 15. Gandang knockout play niyan. There's a whistle. A foul committed by jersey number 15. First personal foul and first team foul. Asalde, jersey number 4, Rabo. There's a whistle. A traveling violation. The foul about jersey number 9. The jersey number 8. Sa gitna. Gandang depensa ng jersey number 7. To Castillo sa gitna. Bubega. There's a whistle. A foul committed by jersey number 15 again.
Baby Giant.
Second on you.
Pasok mo pare. Nice. Iwas mo no ha. Parang Petro kan. Tatlong beses ha. Puro wala.
Last throw.
Gano'ng bola? Nakakapanibago. Gano'ng bola? Kaya pa sinuha na ano. Lampas.
Last throw. Ready jumper.
Pasok mo. Nice. Defense!
Jersey number 17. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 24. Back to jersey number 17. Titikan na ng twice. Bingo! To jersey number. Gandang pege. To jersey number 7. Castillo. To Bubelga sa gitna. Wala. Same ball. Jersey number 9, nagana pa mabasahan. Goes to jersey number 8. And there's a whistle. A turnover.
Per, lasing ba per?
Time remaining. Last 8 minutes. Exactly 8 minutes. Jersey number 24 to pass to jersey number 17. Harassed by jersey number 8. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 17. Sa gitna, drop pass. Huli yan. Napaganda pa. Rebound by Ramos. The jersey number 17. Itikala ng dos. Wala. Pass to Castillo sa gitna. Binagsak kay jersey number 15. Pull up J. Wala pa rin. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 17.
Per!
Second on you and third team foul. Sa gitna kay Mr. Castillo.
Tira pa
15, wala. Rebound by jersey number 9. Susubok wala. Rebound by jersey number 15. The jersey number 24. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 8.
Per!
Second team foul. Substitution rep. Time remaining. Last 7 minutes exactly. Nothing but hit.
Mana lang ang lima.
Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey 7. Behind the back pass. Gandang peki naman yan!
Nice, boy!
Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 4. Ramos sending the play sa gitna. Nahuli ang drop pass.
Magsabi ka dito.
Kinawa, pasoy ako cellphone.
Time remaining. Last 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Itigada ng 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 69. Boo Belga. To jersey number 26. Sa gitna si Mr. Castillo. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Easy to boys by jersey number 9.
Sino mag-video? Ha? Ibay.
Jersey number 4. Ramos. And there's a missile. A traveling violation.
Mag-score si kapag ano
Ayan na. Una puti.
time na.
Time remaining. Last 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Empowering mo jersey number 26. Pass to jersey number 7. Castillo. Gandang drop pass naman yan.
Nice one, Talent Connection!
Balimbing ah.
The jersey number 24. Looking for his teammate. Nakita si Mr. Ramos. Pull up J. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 15. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si Bubelga. Ang bumangga.
Ter, bigay na Ter!
Jersey number 4. Mr. Ramos.
Ter, bigay na agad! Ter, bigay na bigay!
Wala. Game ball yan. Jersey number 7. Agod na sila. Tayo.
Ay, bot pala tama!
Papagat na pa. Antay mo kayo pag dead ball. In and out. Jersey number 7. Mr. Castillo. Jersey number 4. Mr. Ramos. Looking for his teammate. Harassed by jersey number 26 and 15. Nakita si jersey number 24. Shot leg down to 10.
Eh, time out oh, time out!
And time out! Red team. Jersey number 26. Looking for his teammate. Sa gitna. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 26. Looking for his teammate. Nakita sa gitna. Pick. Gandang pasan yan. Jersey number 7. Mangabat. Sa gitna. Doubler. There's a missile. At may kasama pang foul. Foul committed by jersey number 6.
Kaya no. Kakapasok lang sa bukas.
69.
Carb? Ito nyo sir, ito nyo pag may sub. Fourth quarter na.
Bonus throw.
Ilang minutes pa, Tones? Tones minutes.
Time remaining last 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Jersey number 26 sa gitna. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 2. Paano na?
Maliliit yan sila, maliliit. Bigyan nila yan.
Jersey number 20 sending the play. Fast to jersey number 7. Mangabat. Pick and roll. Full of game. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 26.
Ilan na yan, ilan na yan? Tatlo,
Jersey number 6 surrender. 26. Warning for graduation, Mr. Nolan.
Apat na yan, par. Apat na pa. Silang kasi. Palitin silang. Sotso tayo.
And warning for penalty.
Apat na. Tiron. Apat na daw. Graduate na.
Jersey number 2. Anas by jersey number. Sa gitna. The Giant Bamboo. Jersey number 2. Ang abat, susubok sa 3. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 2. Basic na basic yung basketball. Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 54 seconds. There's a whistle, a traveling violation, jersey number 20. Substitution rep. Jersey number 0 coming in, and jersey number 26 coming out.
Apat ka na, boy. Oo, gandot ka na, boy. Nice one. Nakasit ka na. Okay na yan.
Jersey number 0 looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 20 sa gitna. I think jersey number 20 full of jail. Wala pa rin. Shot clock down to 10. Wala pa rin.
Ratbo!
Iba na ang malaki. Jersey number 28. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 20 is hearing pass to jersey number 7. Looking for his teammate. He discarded. And there's a whistle. Jersey number 1 offensive foul. The jersey number 20. And there's a whistle. A traveling violation.
17 lamang ha.
Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Pass to jersey number 19, blocked by jersey number 0. At ayan sa gusto.
Ayun na!
Pass to sino? And a foul committed by jersey number 1, a foul counted in substitution rep. Pasok na ipapasok, labas na ilalabas. Pasok na. Pasok na ipapasok, lalabas na ilalabas.
Showtime!
It's showtime!
Okay. First row for jersey number 0. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 28. Sa gitna, nilabag. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 2. Yes, for 2.
Lex, ibabaw, buka!
Jersey number 0, setting the play. Yes, eye to eye move. The jersey number 7, titigan na ng press. Bingo!
Challenge!
Rather, 2 points. Rather, 2 points.
Screen!
Jersey number 0, kabigyan. Pass to Hernandez. Fade the shot. Wala. Pass to jersey number 7. Block by jersey number 0. Rebound by jersey number 24. Hernandez. Kung kabigyan. To Hernandez sa gitna. Wala pa rin. Time remaining has 2 minutes and 51 seconds. And those are the jersey number 7. Beating over the press. Again, bingo.
Reserve time out, reserve time out. Ano ba? Time out ba tayo? Reserve time out.
1 remaining, last 2 minutes and 33 seconds.
It's showtime again.
Pass to jersey number 28. Looking for his teammate. And there's a whistle.
Sama ng tingin Justin. Sama ng tingin ha.
Laki ng binangga mo ah.
Mamaya, time out na. Hindi na, time out na. Nakareset na.
Jersey number 28 sa gitna. Jersey number 7. Susubok ulit. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 28.
Kuha, Kel! Kuha!
Time remaining, last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Jersey number 0. Bigyan to jersey number 24, Hernandez. Behind the back pass. Sa gitna, nakita jersey number 2.
It's showtime!
Stop!
Nakapasok na.
Pass to Mendoza. Dito. And time out! Blue team.
Nabayag! Nabayag ako.
Jersey numbers 0. Sa gitna. Nakita si jersey number 8. Ikaw sumiso.
Kita talaga yun.
A traveling violation. Time remaining last 48 seconds. Jersey number 19 starting to play. Pass to jersey number 7. Itikada sa gitna. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 28. Time remaining last 55 seconds.
Oras!
Last 30. Jersey number 0. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number. Back by jersey number 18. Time remaining. There's a whistle. Jersey number 18. Warning for penalty. Both team warning for penalty.
Ganda na laro ng MJ ah.
Time remaining last 19 seconds. Shot clock is dead.
Petro, wala eh. Tatlo.
Number 8, last two.
Wala mo na upload. Upload yan.
Last 19. Tingada ng 3. In and out. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 28. Shot clock down to 10.
Hoy, 10 seconds. Shot na.
Last two.
Tagay na.
Last two. End of the third quarter. Pass in the final quarter between blue team and red team. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 7. Di niya nakita. To jersey number 7. In and out. Rebound by jersey number 28. Big Daddy. Wala. Jersey number 7. To jersey number 17. Pass to Olivar sa gitna. Pass to jersey number 7. Titikada ng 3. Wala pa rin. Still by jersey number 4, Ramos. To jersey number 4. To jersey number 7, Mangubad. Looking for his teammate. Nakita si Mr. Ramos. Shot clock down to 10. Gandang side step na na. There's a whistle. A lifting violation. To jersey number 4, Ramos. To jersey number 7, Mangubad. To jersey number 17, Erbo. To jersey number 4, wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 28. To jersey number 7, the Big Daddy. Easy basket.
Nice one, Daddy!
To jersey number 4, looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 7. Susubok sa 3. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 18. Bigyan sa gitna sa jersey number 7. Easy basket. To jersey number 7. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 4. Mr. Ramos. There's a whistle. Jersey number
Sambol, warning for graduate. Harvey, warning for graduate.
Jersey number 4 to jersey number 15, Titicada, wala. Rebound by jersey number 7. Time remaining, last 7 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tago yung mga yung makamiting ka.
This is basket by jersey number 69. And there's a whistle, line ball violation.
Walang highlights. Substitution.
Substitution, ref. Substitution, pasok na, pasok. Okay na, ref. Pasok number 69. And there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 18 again.
Nakaharang pala bro.
Good.
Kita pa yan.
Second personal foul. And second team foul. First row. 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Last row by jersey number 69, Flores. Wala pa rin, airball. Jersey number 18, Dagos. Time remaining, last 6 minutes and 51 seconds. Jersey number 18, susubok, wala. Hinain. Kabigyan, Reeves, receive the ball. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 18. Sa gitna, still by jersey number 4, Ramos. Ramos, nagmamadali sa gitna. Drop pass by jersey number 8, wala. Rebound by jersey number 12, fade away shot, elbow.
Nagka-highlights
Easy
din!
basket, may pang-my-day na siya.
Wow!
At susubok sa pag-uwi.
Nice one! Giant connection! Okay, nagsisintas!
Jersey number 4, Ramos. Looking for his teammate. Isolation move. Drop pass by jersey number 18. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 0. Nagmamadali. Drop pass by jersey number 0. Ito sa business. Jersey number 18, warning for graduation and penalty. Still by jersey number 0. And Kabigyan. Looking for his teammate, person jersey number 28. Sa gitna. Easy basket.
Kakit nilang der.
Jersey number 4,
Parang ano,
Ramos.
inaabot lang ang ring eh.
Looking for his teammate. Big fight. Gandang moves naman yan. Easy basket for jersey number 4, Mr. Ramos. Time remaining last exactly 5 minutes. Jersey number 18, wala. Jersey number 69. Para talaga yung laking Star Margarine.
Mater, maawa ka naman sa pulangan eh. Hindi naman
Pati takip ng Star
bola sa'yo,
Margarine.
Hane.
Paniguradong inangat-ngat ni Mr. 69. Jersey number 8. Wala.
Sa palander, gagaratihin na kita.
Jersey number 0, Kabigyan. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 18. Wala pa rin. Time remaining, last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Mr. Ramos. Ito po. Medic.
May ano kayo?
Time out tayo, rep. Time out. Blue team.
Tira!
Jersey number 26. Here's the basket.
Ilang minuto ba?
Mr. Beat ka lang. Alabit. Jersey number 17. Looking for his teammate. Still by jersey number 26. Mr. Beat ka lang. Behind the back. Pinala.
Magaling naman si Tuloy. Kaya lang nila itutulak pa nila.
And a double dribble. Time remaining. Last 33 minutes and 33 seconds. Napakasipag. Si Solar Boy. Mr. Beat ka lang.
Ay, wag na kayo mag-dribble. Tira na lang kayo. Push mo! Yan.
Yan! Sige! Oh.
Ano? Nakakabawas din.
Push mo! Pakita mo! Sino ka?
To jersey number 20.
Taas kamay!
To 15 to Mr. Beat ka lang. Tulad J. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 19. To jersey number 24.
Tira!
To jersey number 20.
Ayos yung kampo! Open!
Shot lag down to 10.
O kampo!
Wala. To jersey number 20.
Tira na lang kayo, tira. Para walang aksidente.
To jersey number 15. Enters a whistle. A traveling violation. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes and 32 seconds.
Tira na
To
lang,
jersey number
tira.
0.
Tira na.
To jersey number 24. Mendoza. Susubok na dress. Bingo.
Dapat yung mga binitawan. Ito talaga maliliit.
Jersey number 26. Looking for his teammate. Pass to jersey number 9. Easy basket.
Ano, magkapasag lang.
Last 2 minutes. Next game. Mag-prepare na.
Sab.
Green team versus black. Binali sa ere. Binali pa rin sa hangin.
Sab.
Oh, sab tayo. Sab.
Subdivision na.
Rigor. Papalit na yung ano.
Labas na, labas nila labas. Pasok na pasok.
Oy, tatlo, ang dami nyo.
Sige, anim!
Game. Gi, okay na pare. Kasap na.
To jersey number 20. Wala. To jersey number 1. Looking for his teammate. Titikada ng 3. In and out. To jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 20. To jersey number 8. Wala pa rin. Rebound by jersey number 9. Sa gitna. Pinasa sa kabila.
Bilis ni Rigor eh.
Time remaining. Last 1 minute and 19 seconds. Mr. Beat ka lang. Crossing the move. Pass to jersey number 8. Wala. Good yan. Last 51 seconds.
Tira!
Last 20 seconds.
Siopaw!
Last 38 seconds.
Shot
Shot clock down to 10.
clock.
To jersey number 20. Last 20. Shot clock is dead.
Isa pa!
Wala talaga.
Yellow to third quarter.
The blue team defeated the red team in the opening game of the Gyeongyos Filipino Community Basketball League Season 2 with a score of 99-56. Lander Flores, also known as the Big Giant, dominated the game with 21 big points and 13 rebounds. Next game of the blue team is on Saturday, April 11th, against the powerhouse black team.